Next question, question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. Figure is given in the question. So for finding its area, Jyoti and Kabda divided it into two different ways. So two different ways also given. Find the area of this park is in both ways by using both ways. Can you suggest some uh, other way for finding its area? So this shape is divided into two different ways. So first way divided it from the middle part, and in the second way divided it just like this. One triangle is there and one square is there. Okay, we have to find area by using this way and this way, and after that we have to suggest some other ways for finding its area. Okay, so first we have to write here Jyoti way of finding area is as follows. So this is the first way. So how can we find the area of this figure here? Area of this pentagon. Pentagon means how many sides are there? 5 sides. How can we find 2 into area of trapezium A, B, C, F? This is one trapezium. This is another trapezium. Okay. So first, if we are finding this area, this should be equal to this one. So 2 into any of this trapezium, we will get the whole area. So 2 into area of trapezium A, B, C, F, I am finding here. 2 into area of trapezium is half h into a plus b, correct? Height we can find here. How can we find the height? This total length is 15. It is divided into two equal parts. So one length is 7.5 here. This is also 7.5. 15 by 2, 15 by 2. So we will get this is 15 by 2. This is the height of this trapezium, right? So half into 7.5 into, and these two length 15 plus this total length which is given here 30. So this total length is here, so we can apply here 15 plus 30. Okay, this is the total length. This side is the total length. This is 30 and this side is 15 which is given here. So 15 plus 30, A plus B. So solve this equation, we will get 337.5 meter square is the area of this one. Next way, this is the next way. This is very easy. Divided just like one triangle and one square. So you have to apply the equation for finding area of triangle and area of square. Triangle ABE and square BCDE. Okay, so we can find here what is the area of triangle, half BH. Half BH we can apply here. B and H, which is we can identify from the figure. B is equal to 15, H is equal to 15. Again, plus side square is the area of square, correct? So one side is equal to 15, so we can identify 15 square is the calculation. So after this calculation we should get the same area because both are same figure only. So if the first part, if we are divided into two trapezium, we will get the whole area is equal to 337.5. The second part, one triangle and square, again we should get the same area, 337.5 meters square. So these two are the answers. Okay, next question number 11, do it as homework. I will just give one rough figure how to do this calculation. Okay, diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 into 28 centimeters. So this is 24 length and this is outer one 28 centimeter, and inner dimensions also given here, it is 16, and here this length is 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So these all these width are same which is given in the question. This one, all these width are same, that is given here. Okay, we have to find the area of this each section. Okay, so how can we find the area of section? Each section means A, B, E, H, that is one section. Okay, and which should be equal to area of section C, D, G, F. So if you are finding this area, this should be equal to this one. So by using the area of trapezium we can find this area. Okay, and here also we can write here area of this section B, E, C, F, this one B, E, C, F or F, F, C. This trapezium should be equal to area of the section D, G, HA. So this section, these two section areas are equal. These two sections areas are equal. All are trapezium only. So first find this area, again find this area. Okay. So by using the trapezium area equation, we can find these two, but you should separately find this area. This should be equal to this one. So only one required. This should be equal to this one. So you can calculate either one of these two trapezium. Okay, so first of all you have to write here this, all these length IB should be equal to, next BJ, this length should be equal to, all these length are equal, which is written here. Okay, so we can write here this IL, this total length is equal to this IB plus BC plus remaining CL, I written here. Okay, so we can find IB, this length we can find by using this equation. Okay, this is 28, total length already we have here, IL is equal to 28. I substitute here, IB we have to calculate here. Next, this is 20, substitute the value here. CL also we have to calculate here, CL I written here. Okay, but these two length are equal, that we written here, IB is equal to CL. Okay, so we will get IB plus CL is equal to this 20 minus 28 minus this 20, we will get 8. So each sum of these two should be 8. So each should be 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So we will get 4. So from here, this equation we will get this width of this each length, that will be the height. Okay, this 4 will be the height of the trapeziums, and all other sides here we have in this question. So try to do this question yourself. Okay.